Selling any digital product on your Big Cartel website is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Determine what digital product you want to sell. This could be anything from ebooks, music, and printables to templates, software, and online courses. Ensure your digital product is high quality and provides value to your customers. Also, ensure your digital file is in a format compatible with download and use by your customers. Popular formats include PDFs, JPGs, MP3s, zips, etc. Consider file size limitations on Big Cartel, currently at 500 MB per file. If your file exceeds this limit, you can use a third-party file hosting service and provide the download link on your Big Cartel product page. Next, in your Big Cartel dashboard, navigate to Products and click Add Product. Then select Digital Product as the product type. Upload your digital files or add the external download link if needed. Then, fill out the product details, including title, description, price, keywords, and product image. Next, craft a compelling description that highlights the value and benefits of your digital product. Use clear and concise language that provides potential customers with all the necessary information about your product. Determine a fair price for your digital product considering its value, production cost, and market competitiveness. Big Cartel allows you to create product variations for your digital product, offering different editions, versions, or licensing options. This can be useful for offering tiered pricing or catering to specific customer needs. Once your product listing is complete, click Publish to make it live on your Big Cartel website. Promote your digital product on your social media channels, email list, and other marketing channels. Consider running promotions and discounts to attract customers and boost sales.